Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the bone scan findings. So under the bone scan, there are hot spot and the cold spot. Now first let's look at the cold spot. So this cold spot, it includes the that is a multiple myeloma. It is multiple myeloma. Next, we look at the fibrous cortical defect. There is the fibrous cortical defect. Then comes the pseudoarthrosis. There is pseudoarthrosis. Now let's move on to the hotspot, the causes of hotspot. The hotspot, it includes the osteomyelitis as well as the bone tumors. So osteomyelitis, bone tumors and the metastasis. Next is the fibrous dysplasia. So there is fibrous dysplasia, and there is also the presence of the trauma. Trauma is nothing but the fracture healing. Then there is the avascular necrosis. There is also the presence of the Peart's disease, and there is the Paget's disease. Also the hyperparathyroidism. Thyroidism. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.